Hello my friends, Cool Andy here. Cool Andy here with a new baby, 6 days old. The baby kite that I'm raising from day 0. I hope hatch this baby from the egg, and I've been raising him and care for him and taking it with me everywhere, every place, to work, everywhere I go. I'm bringing this baby with me to feed him and care for him, and I'm making a every day a video. I'll be making 30 videos, and then I'm gonna put the 30 videos together to make a nice compelling video of how he was growing. And yeah, today he's 6 days old, and now I'm gonna feed him to share with you guys how we do it. Come on, baby, I'll bring you dinner. He's so quick. Come on, dinner for you. Papi makes you dinner. Uy. You are being loud. Yeah. Hold on. You being so loud. Right? Alright. Okay, let me situate this. Okay. Papi's having hard time now. Miss Chance. You're getting more stronger. Yes, you're getting more stronger. I can feel you. Come on. Okay, there you go. Eat like King Kong. I made it good for you, right? A good position. Yeah, I put good season for your food, so it's tasty. Oh wow, you're eating so much now, right? Look at you. Why you cold? No, you don't want any more. You look at you, you're full. You're super full. You're full. Such a beautiful baby, beautiful creature. Look at your wings. They span longer now. You're getting so big. You're getting big by the day. My beautiful big baby. Yeah, my big baby. Oh, you. Such a beautiful baby. You feel so good. You're yummy. You're yummy. Yeah. Alright, I think this is gonna be the video for today. Me and the baby, 6 days old. This baby kite is growing so fast, guys, so fast. In another week, you guys are gonna see you're gonna start seeing the reflection of the new feathers coming in. Alright, I think he's getting cold now. I'm gonna put him back in the incubator, and I'll see you in the next one. GG from me and the new baby. GG.